Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will see the Chrome options in Selenium WebDriver and how we can use Chrome options to set the download location. So the scenario is like we have to navigate to some application, and if you see here, this is the website I am taking, and there are different kind of files are there, like PDF file, text file, PNG file, and how we can download these files to the specific directory using Selenium WebDriver. So that we will see, because now if I go and download this, it will get downloaded to the download folder. Okay, it is going to the download folder. So what I am doing here, like it is a download folder, right? So I want to specify the location and download this file. Okay, let's say random data.txt, or I want to download all the files. So we will see this demo how we can do this using the Chrome options. So for that I created a new class. Let me rename it, and it is a download demo. Okay, download file demo. Okay, and inside this I created a main method, and inside that I'm creating Chrome driver instance. So this will launch the Chrome browser. Then I want to navigate to application. So this is the application we are using today, and on this application there are multiple files. So I want to download it, plus I want to download these files inside, let's say, target. I'll create one folder here, download files. Okay, so inside this there is no file. I want to download all of the files here. Okay, so for this one we will use the Chrome option. Okay, so Chrome options. So let me create Chrome options. So this is a part of Selenium. So if you hover also, you will see this is a part of org openqa.selenium.chrome. okay, under that we have Chrome options class, and give options equal to new Chrome option. So we created a Chrome option. Now I want to set the download location, right, to target. So this target folder is present in my root directory, means my project. Okay, under that target I have download files. So to do that we need to create a map actually. Okay, hash map. So map, I'll tell you why we need to create it, and this map will take first as a string parameter, second as a object. Okay, and give some name like pref. Okay, because this is a for preferences and hash map. Okay, and in this hash map also you can pass the string and second parameter object. Okay, so that's how we are creating, and we will import this map also from java.util. Okay, collection framework package. So in this preferences, okay, why we created string and object? Because inside this we will be adding the preferences. So there is a preference. So if you want to put something in the map, we will use a put method, and we will store the data in a key value pair. So let's say keys name values RoboticQA, or keys city values Bangalore. So that's how we put a data inside a map. And now here we need to put a parameter. Okay, there is a parameter to set the download location. Okay, to set a download location, and the parameter is download.default directory. So if you set this, and second parameter is whatever directory you want to store. So I want to store inside this. So if you give the path like C, wherever your project is available, let's say D, idea project, Selenium. Tomorrow if you change your project to different directory, it will fail, right? So how to get a project directory path dynamically? So for that I'll just put here system dot get property, and inside this I will add user.dir. Okay, and let's see what this print, user.dir. Okay, so this actually should give you the current project location. Okay, current project location. So it is navigating to that website. okay, and it printed the current location also. Okay, so we will use this same thing to get the current project location. So this is my current project location, plus inside that I have a target folder, and inside target I want to download the file in download files. So I will put here download files. Okay, I hope this is clear now. So this will give the current project directory. Inside current project I have target folder, inside target I have a download files, and here I want to put my all the downloaded files. So why I am giving here double slash, because one slash is a escape character. Okay, escape character means it will get removed when it get compiled, code get compiled, it get removed auto. So we are putting 2. So now we have added this to this map, but it is not associated with this option and this driver, right? So we have Chrome option. So we are still not using this Chrome options, but now I will use it. So here in Chrome options we have lots of methods. Okay, so let me put set experimental option, and here I will add preps. Okay, and second parameter our map. So map name is preps. Okay, so now, so whatever this map we created, and in this map we added this key and value, that map we added to set to option. Now this option we have to set to driver also, right? Okay, so what I will do, I'll just cut this thing. Okay, cut and paste it here, and this option I will pass to this Chrome driver. Okay, so my Chrome is having all these preferences, Chrome option set. Okay, my Chrome is having all these options set. Now when I go to this website, maximize the page and click on file, so that it will download. Okay, because when I manually go here and click on any file, it get downloaded, but it is getting downloaded in a download folder, not in a framework, right? The desired location, right? So I want to download here using Selenium. So let me find the locator for this one. Okay, so it is h3 tag, under that we have anchor tag, right? So we can find this element using this also. Find me h3 tag, okay, which has text equal to this. Okay, and under this get the first a tag. Okay, first a tag. Okay, it is not under, right? It is following sibling, and here I will put a. So you see I'm getting all the a's, right? I'll get first a tag. So we got a locator. Now copy this locator, and here I'll write driver dot find element by xpath, and put your xpath here, and when we perform click on this element, it will download the file. Or we can store this element first inside, let's say, link, and on that link I want to click. Okay, and this should download the file. And okay, so we'll see with the help of this Chrome option and preferences, it should be able to download the file under this desired directory. So right click and run it. Okay, and let's see what happened. Okay, it is done. Now if I expand this and you see random data, so this file is downloaded here. Okay, this file is downloaded. Okay, let's see, even the data is not proper. We are just downloading this file just to see how is it downloading in the correct directory or not. But what if you want to download all the files? Let's see that demo now. I'll just comment out this code, and here I'll write download all files. So let's see how we can do that one. and for that I will use the same locator here and we'll do the modification to that. Okay, so if I want to get all the A tag, so we will use just sibling of A, and you see it is selecting all the 29 links are there. Okay, all the 29, right? So it is giving me list of elements. Okay, this will give me the list of elements. So if I remove this, it will give me the list of elements, not a single element. So for that, in the left side I will store in a list, because we are getting a multiple elements, and I'll change this to links. Okay, so now we got all the elements, so we have to use a method find elements, not element. Okay, so we got all the elements now, and on this list of elements I will use the Java 8 stream feature. So stream dot for each and link. Okay, so means from this link get one link. For each means it will iterate. You don't need to give like I equal to 0, I is less than equal to number of links on I plus plus. So this will automatically take care of this one, and inside this one we will put link dot click, and let's see how simple it is. Using just this one line we are able to do this. Okay, if we can move this to one line also, that's fine. Okay, but let me put it in different lines. So it is just a stream function for each loop. Get each link and click on it. Okay, and once you click on each link, you can put some weight also, because let's say after you click on download, it takes some time, and here I'll give some time. It is optional actually, not mandatory, but we are giving. And if you add this one, we need to wrap inside a try catch block. Okay, so try and catch, and inside this let's say exception e, and you should use actually logger in the framework, but I'm just using the system.out.println e dot print stack trace. So if there is any error, it will print. Okay, so this is not working, so you can use get message also. Okay, so it will print the error message, and that's how it will be able to download all the files. And let's see how it works. So I'm just running this script. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Okay, so it is downloading all the files, right? And if you go to your file download, you have all the files here. Okay, you can play around it with this example. Okay, so I'll give some assignment to you. What you need to do, you need to create a folder here under download files. Okay, let's say okay, CSV. Okay, and just download the CSV file. And you don't know, there may be today 2 CSV files available, tomorrow 10 CSV files available, so it should download the dynamically. Okay, how many CSV files available, not other like PDF text. Okay, so this you can try on yourself, so that like you will get idea how this logic work. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.